Hey, Chevrolet. I'm going to keep this video short because we are back from the junkyard. We got tools organized and tools disorganized. We are freezing. I've got my oxygen sensor wire taped and zip tied back where it belongs, but I thought I would show you what is wrong and what is right and what is nasty and what is nice on my frame that people thought was cracked. It is not cracked. It is a pine needle attached with grease. And you guys are pretty sharp because that just flashed by at 2147, was it? But that is not a cracked support. That is just a little piece of fluff. Nothing's cracked here, and the reason I'm showing it to you is because I'm just about to put on my plastic skid plate that I paid $4.95 for at the junkyard. But that's the price, and I feel like I'm going to sneeze. So, I got my buddy here.
How y'all doing?
You just put that accent on, don't you, just when you see us tourists around?
That normally.
Yeah, right. We're polishing up all the bolts. I saw some shiny ones at the junkyard, but I forgot to get them, and they charged for everything. $5 for a skid plate, $2.25 per lamp light bulb. Forget about it. $5 for a pulley, small. My pulley's old, but it's nice and smooth. So, I'm going to put things back together. I'm going to put on the skid plate. That is right over there. And you got the bolts. And I got my monster 3/4 ton tow hooks, bigger than the 1/2 ton tow hooks. And I can't make a video while I'm doing this. So that's the end of the video. Oh, stop.
Come on.
It's freaking dark and freezing in South Carolina. Where'd the sun go? I want my sun back.